I dressed for the occasion. How do I look? Hey, on Wednesdays, we wear pink. We heard through the grapevine that Revolution Beauty was doing a makeup collab for Mean Girls. The original movie was 2004. They have since done a remake of the movie for this year, and somewhere in there they also did a musical. We enjoyed the original movie. So that's why I got my credit card. Where's my credit card? Yeah, it's here somewhere. Yes, I put my credit card to use. And boy did she. I did good. I only got 2 things. True, you did very well. I think you got the 2 best things that they had. First up is the Meet the Plastics Mean Girls Beauty Kit. And it even says on there, your beauty routine is so fetch. Let's see what came in this kit. This kit was $18, I think. I don't know, you got the list. It was 4 items, $18 total, so that would make each item $4.50. And in that kit, let me see, I wanna know. We have the Glow Fix Setting Spray. I'm not big on setting sprays, yet this is something I would use as a facial refresher during the day. And what else was in the kit? It's over there. You gotta look. We have a clear lip gloss with a good-sized doe foot applicator. I don't know how well it's going to show up on the video, but that's a good-sized doe foot applicator. And we have a blush in pink, of course. Of course. Does it say anything specific? It says, on Wednesdays, we wear pink. And a small eye palette that says you're a regular hottie. And these are the shades. Oh, those look nice. I'm not gonna swatch that one though. You're not? No, I'm not. Because I got something else that's even better. For $24, I got the Vern Vook eyeshadow palette. That I'm gonna swatch. This is a fun palette, and what totally got me on this one, the outside is padded. I don't think I've ever seen that before for an eyeshadow palette. It's padded. Here is the inside. Oh, and there's a mirror. But I'm gonna try and avoid the mirror. That'd be a first. I'm excited about pink. Look at me. Don't I look cute? Comment down below. What do you think of my outfit? They named these shades very much appropriately for the movie. Let's check out that list. The names of these shades are So Fetch, The Plastics, I'm a Mouse, Duh, Really Pretty, Popular, Obsessed, Cool Mom, We Wear Pink, Cheese Fries, Get In, Loser, Glen Coco, October 3rd, Dramatic, pink shirt, army pants. Here we go. The camel will now do swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, Fatima the Camel. Thank you. What did you think? Did you see a shade that you like? Thank you for joining us on our We Wear Pink video. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that stuff, because we got more adventures coming soon. You won't believe them. Hope to see ya in a video soon. Bye-bye. Hey, did anyone else get this? Or was I the only one? Let me know. Inquiring camels want to know. I like my feathers.